I've had a lot of different little setbacks, some big, some small. For an athlete and for me, I found getting a bad injury was a massive one. It was actually a year and a half, or just under 2 years, I had a knee operation before the Olympics. And all of a sudden, there I was on crutches, not being able to move, not being able to train. All the other girls were around me training really, really hard. And it's a really hard thing to cope with when you're still alongside them in the gym, but there you are, you can't even walk up and down the stairs. But yet you do get through it, and you know, with the help of all the goal setting and your coach being supportive, you get through it, and then all of a sudden you're back to being in full fitness. I then, the season before the Olympics, had another injury, a really bad crash on a track. And straight away you're like, oh, I'm not going to get through it. Everyone else is going to move on. But you just have to think backwards. Hang on, I've been through this before and I popped out the other end fine, just as strong. And that gives you the confidence to know that you can get through it. You know, whether it's then the same as in your work, that you change positions in a job or you change jobs completely, and the dauntingness of it and that kind of scariness of how am I going to do this? And just going back a few steps, whether it's a year, 2 years, last month, or you know, longer, shorter, that you've had similar situations, and you need to use that as confidence to know that you can get through it. You did it before. There's a certain process of that, and you know, you'll get through it again, and you'll probably be an even stronger person than you were the first time. And I've had that before, and it's tough at the time, but if you know you will pop out the other end, and you always do, it will always be for the better and for the stronger person that you'll become.